In front of me is Motorola Moto G52, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers. So you've got two methods, two options. The first one is to open your phone dialer, then use your keypad and enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And here you've got both IMEI and serial numbers included. Click on OK to close it, and then you need to reach Settings, then find and select About Phone. And here you will find both IMEI numbers and also serial number, but it's hidden under model. So here you got it. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.